Are you thinking of building a wood fence on steel posts in your yard? Then you came to the right place. I've got a lot of information for you ahead, and we'll be continuing videos on steel posts and more like this. So hope you stick around and subscribe. The first steel post I'm going to cover is a Post Master Post by Master Halco. They are strong and can withstand winds of 70 miles per hour. Let's get started. You want to start out setting your post at 8 feet apart. We add 60 pounds of concrete to every post. The red stick is a 2x2 cut to the height of our post so that every post is the same height. After you have all of your posts set, it's time to install all of your rails. I put my top rail to the top of the post. I don't want my pickets too high above the post so they don't warp over time. You're going to attach the rails using 3 screws on each side of the post from the back side. This holds up very well over time. I use coated decking screws 1¼ inch long to attach the rails. It's a good idea to pre-drill your holes with a small bit since it's close to the end of the rail to prevent cracking or splitting in the wood. Next, you will install your pickets. This photo will be your finished result. You see the posts are exposed from the backside, but no worries, there's a simple solution. Take some pickets, stand them up to the post touching the ground, mark the top of the picket where it touches the top of the rail, cut them off, and then screw them on to the left and to the right away from the metal post. This will give you a nice finished look. If you're wondering how well these posts hold up to high winds, this is a text message from our customer after Hurricane Irma hit Orlando, Florida. I had built his fence 2 weeks before the storm hit, and it stood through everything.